This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easy. We can still make it work.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko. Updated kayo! For today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Liluan, sa my Honda area, and we're actually by the entrance of the said beach. I'm not really sure what's the name of the beach dito sa may Liluan banda. Kung didiretso na kami doon sa my city proper, it's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes. And by the way, the cameraman for today is Cristel. Cristel, welcome back again.
Hey y'all!
Kamusta naman, Gentle? How you doing?
Super fine, you're super fresh, super cute as always. Kasi kunyari magbi-beach tayo and hindi natin afford pumunta sa malayo.
And this is the first time na pupunta si Cristel dito sa my beach area.
Ay, hindi mo na first time do?
Your first time. Pagkita ko Cristel kung saan yung mga spots dito sa may Liluan.
Wow!
Parang taga dito talaga ako. Because I explored it some time ago nung nagpupunta pa ako sa my city proper. So ako lang pumunta dito sa my area.
Wow,
so,
bakit? Nagmumuni mo?
Yeah, because I was looking for a beach. So may, alam ako doon banda unahan. You wanna see the beach? Just heads up guys, dito the beach that you're gonna be expecting that we're gonna go. Isita lang kami sa beach kaya hindi kami nililigo. I'm just gonna give Cristel a quick tour of the place. Let's go inside.
Sige,
let's go. Nandito na pa kami sa my shoreline area ng Liluan, and this is our view right now guys.
Very random decision group.
What do you think of the beach though?
First time ko, okay naman siya. Tingnan mo, ang daming naliligo Drew. Sunday ngayon. So, ayan sila oh. Maraming tao.
Doon kami galing guys. So that's the entrance area kung ayaw nyong magbayad ng entrance fee.
Ah, as in?
Yeah, walang entrance doon.
So parang public ano siya?
Public beach.
Siguro sa ibang papasok, ano, meron.
Yeah, because may mga resorts hindi to banda.
Random lang. Ano,
Yeah.
lakad-lakad, ganyan. Maganda yung hangin. Oh my gosh.
The background noise.
Wala oh, nakikita ba nila?
Hindi, malayo na yan.
So may nag-practice ng mga drums and lyre doon. Ay oo, kasi fiesta sa Liluan. Dapat alam natin ang schedule, Drew. Pero last time pagdaan ko sa may municipal ba yan, meron silang mga ganap. Around mga 6, 8 ganyan. Maraming tao. Dumaan ako is parang may pageant. But now guys, nakikita ko na may mga dadala ng aso dito. Pasyal nila yung mga aso nila.
Tumatayo. Sorry guys, blur lang natin yan.
Doon, ano, may mga, I think meron pa doon mga resort kasi may nagpapalipad ng kahit na ibon. Yan guys, kung makikita niyo. Pagdaan natin kanina, may mga kumakain na, may mga nagba-barbecue. Merong mga ano, parentahan siguro no, same color ng tables and chairs. Yung red, I think parentahan yan dyan. Tapos dito banda, oh, may nagte-tent guys. You know, marami pang naliligo ngayong oras. Anong oras na ba? Mga 4 to 5 something na ngayon. Tapos dito banda, wala masyado. Kasi meron tayong nakikita mga poster guys na bawal magtampa. Mga bawal talaga. Pero andito tayo.
Kasi yung pinaka-importante guys, walang entrance fee.
Pwede ka lang pumunta dito, magdala ka ng sarili mong food mo, own drinks.
Baka may charge ata for the space. Kung magka-camping kayo.
Umabol sa ating ano. Di ba usually pag ano, parang open beach, meron pa yung naghahabol na, uy ma'am, ano sir, muulan dun no? Oh, you see?
The vibe here is perfect for picnic. Tambay-tambay with friends and family. Kung gusto nyo mag-beach lang. Oh my god, I'm sinking.
Guys, nakaka-appropriate lang ano. OOTD ni Andrew ngayon. Tapos siya pa nag-aya.
Ito na guys, huwag kayong mag-chinelas with socks.
Huwag kayong mag-socks.
Huwag kayong mag-chinelas with socks.
Brad, makatang waves. Kasi alam mo, parating na yung ulan. Happy ka naman, Drew, na umulan na Drew at last.
Yeah, I'm super happy kasi super init talaga nung summer. We'll be right back guys. We're gonna go to the boardwalk area. Nandito na po kami sa may boardwalk area dito po sa Liloan. I'm going to give you a tour of this place. Right now guys, nandito ako ngayon sa may sitting area nila. At yung sa likod ko guys, this is the view of the beach. Yung sitting area nila parang mataas siya konti. Hindi qualified na makapag-upo dito ay si Cristel. Joke.
Ngayon lang, wala tayong energy.
You wanna really see what's on the other side?
What's on the other side?
Mga bato. This is just a walking distance from the beach kung saan kami galing kanina. Doon kami galing guys. Ito na pa yung parang Liloan boardwalk.
Ini-improve pa to no kasi parang dry man siya. Wala siyang color.
Pero anong meron dito sa may boardwalk
Marami
area
pumapasyal, mga family and then couples nag-date-date. Tapos doon banda may volleyball court. We also have the basketball court on the other side. Diba? The next time na mag-visit tayo, malay mo, iba ng itsura. Pwede talaga pang walking, pang jogging because kita nyo naman, pinapawisan ako.
Doon banda to, parang doon sila nagsastart na lined up going to the pier. Most of the trips there, from what I know, ay papuntang Ormoc. Meron silang daily trips papuntang Camotes Island. I'm not really sure kung meron pa. Hindi ko alam.
Parang malayo nang malapas pa na.
Yeah. This is the whole boardwalk dito pa sa Liloan guys. Di pa siya tapos. But I think they're gonna make some improvements dito. So I'm gonna be hopeful and I'm going to give you a tour here in the future.
The change.
Kung tapos na talaga.
The before na. 38! Oh my God, we're here! Guys, ito na ang pinakaantay natin. Let's check it out! We'll be back! Supreme sisig. Ayan.
At meron silang the usual.
Yeah.
The egg. The sisig.
The sisig, the meat, the rice. The same tayo.
That's pork sisig, tell me.
Oh, pork sisig. Parang regular sisig. This one is another sisig, pero ano siya? Chicken teriyaki. Dito sa may Ray's Sizzling Hub. This is 135 pesos. Chicken teriyaki. This is the Hungarian. 135. And ang katabi nila, itong mga tusok-tusok na Asian street food daw. So, magta-try na lang din tayo, guys. Meron tayong lobster balls. And then we have the rice cake, seafood tofu, and then of course, crab sticks. Ayan. Then yung sauce. Per stick, 35.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, akala ko dalawang stick,
Buy one, take
35
one
pesos.
through. Our drinks, Cali, and
Apple.
sana all.
Apple flavor at yan. May pineapple. And I've ordered the other one.
The other one is Andrew
Apple. I haven't tried this yet. Hindi ko pa ito na-try.
apple flavor.
Apple flavor. Yung gusto mo, apple, no?
Apple. Sa'yo yung
Pineapple. By the way, guys, this is the dining area dito sa may Pier 88 na street food corner.
Gawa ng corner.
This is the dining area. These are the stalls kung saan kayo mag-order ng mga food ninyo, guys. Ayan. Tara guys, let's eat. Super gutom na kami. Sa may Macaron Tango dito po sa may sentro ng Liloan. Malapit lang siya sa may church nila dito at sa may municipal hall. At ngayon guys, ito pa yung mga in-order namin. At ito pa yung order namin kasi isang order lang. We have the
Special halo-halo ala macaron cafe.
how much is this?
60 ang special, 55 ang regular.
So try na ni Crystal yung halo-halo nila.
First, you have to try a little of the topping, which is the ice cream. Kahit alam mo na ang lasa nito, you have to try mine as a first step. Oh my gosh, oh, sugar sa kutsara. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So, galing siya sa baba, guys. So, pag naghahalo-halo kayo, make sure you reach the bottom and then mix it to the top and then bottom again. You know what I mean? Oh my god! Lasang ube ice cream. Kasi it's ube. Nakita akong corn, gulaman, mais. I don't see if there's any. Langka meron. Walang leche flan. That's it.
So mix it all together.
Wala na. To get...
Oh my god.
Look. Ano kaya difference ng regular ito? Walang ice cream.
How is it?
Typical.
Halo-halo.
Typical lasa.
The traditional halo-halo.
Yeah. Mas may masarap pa dito.
How will you rate it, sir? 1 to 5. 5 is a highest.
3.
We forgot to rate sa mga food na kinain namin kanina guys, so may Pier 88. How will you rate the sizzling plates? Teriyaki at yung Hungarian for 135 pesos.
3 lang. Pero in fairness naman, yung rice, as in, marami na din yung chicken. Marami siyang serving, guys. In fairness naman sa 135. Yung isang sisig, supreme ba yun?
Yeah, yung supreme, 125 eh.
120. Masarap siya, kaso ano lang, yung level of spiciness.
Food corner sa may purity, guys. Yung pinakamasarap doon ay yung in-order ni Crystal for 120 pesos, yung pure lang na sisig. Yun yung pinakamasarap. Yung maganda lang doon kasi malaki yung mga portion na mga food nila. Yung sisig at yung rice. At yung,
For 120.
420 pesos. At yung in-order din namin doon sa may sizzling area, yung teriyaki at yung Hungarian. Okay naman siya. Pero yung flavor ng sauce, yung sinabi ni Crystal kanina,
Pang
same lang yung blend.
Lasa.
Yeah, ng sauce. So, pero okay naman siya kasi malaki din yung portion nila ng mga ulam
Masarap
nila.
naman.
Yeah. Overall guys, masarap yung pagkain nila. You gotta visit there. Tatay na natin yung halo-halo ng macaron tango. So, sinong tango dito? Okay naman, parang fresh naman yung mga ingredients nila dito. Pero masarap yung blend ng mga ingredients. At buti na talaga masyadong maraming ice na nilagay nila dito sa halo-halo. So I'm going to give this 4.5 stars.
Plastic talaga.
Because since it's only for 60 pesos. So yun na nga, I'm going to give this 4.5 stars dito po sa Macaron Tango. Better visit here guys kung nandito kayo sa may Lilungan.
You better.
By the way, this is the dining area. Maganda yung table nila. At ito yung parang cabinet / upuan. Let's go inside. So dito pa sa loob, meron din silang dining area. This is the counter area. The menu. Ice cream, ayan. Yung cafe, we're gonna finish up and I'll give you an update later. Just finished eating at Macaron Tango. So, thank God I still remember the name. So, okay doon guys, if you want to try their halo-halo, and they actually have different kinds of drinks that they offer over there and sandwiches. So, doon na po kayo magda-dining guys kung gusto nyo mga halo-halo. You just want affordable ones, it's the best place to hang out kasi meron silang maliit na dining area doon sa loob. This is gonna be the end of the video. We're gonna go home.
No.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa may bus stop area guys, malapit sa my church. Good night and see you on the next video. Have a great day.
Kala ko mag-ano tayo. It's fiesta sa Liloan, guys.
So since hindi namin afford yung ticket ng
Queen of Liloan, dumaan lang kami. Abang na lang tayo sa online draw, sinong mananalo.
yes, congratulations to the next queen.
Rain, Queen, rain.
Thank you all for watching guys. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.